This is decoder for Ford module. It's very easy to use it. How to get the bearings from this cylinder and pick it lock. Let's operate together. At first, insert it to lock. And then look for the direction. If the direction like this, lockpick direction is opposite. And next, pull out nail. Push all the tension bar to the opposite direction. Keep pushing tension bar. That doesn't shake. Pay attention. Shake every tension bar. If shake short trip, push it one time. If shake long trip, long distance, please look for the next one. This is 2, 3, 3. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4.
Das Paradies gesehen. Es war 1910. Der Steuermann hatte Matrosen am Mast und den Zahlenmeister haben die Gurn und Kocken vernascht. Aber sonst waren wir bei bester Gesundheit.